following video is a JET CNC vertical milling machine. It's a 2-axis with a Z-axis reader. This machine is in like new condition. It came out of a laboratory. It has not seen much use. We're going to run a brief video demonstration. First, we'll show your 2-axis, your X-axis, 100 inches per minute. We're going to start the head in high range at 1400 RPM. Spindle is on, 1400 RPM. 1750, 2100, 2600, 3250. Shift the head to low range. Low range 150 RPM, 160, 200, 250. Drop it back into high range. We'll show the power down feed on the quill. Down feeding. Also got about another inch of travel. Once it's reaches its set, it will kick the clutch out and the spindle will go up. Disengaged. Again, the preceding video was a JET 2-axis CNC vertical milling machine.